back to the vlog. So today I am at the Stitch Festival. Sorry, it's a bit shaky. Yeah, so I've come to see some of my lovely friends, meet some new designers and makers, and stroke some fabric basically. I'm here on my own and it's a bit weird, but it's really, really lovely to see some old friends, and look, it's beautiful. It's also a Thursday, so it's nice and quiet. In fact, yeah, it's lovely and quiet. So good for my first trip out of the house, basically, in 2 years. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it.
We've been in the car for about an hour, and you look so down. You should be happy the sun is out, but it's a frown, it's a frown, it's a frown. I just wanna make you smile, I just wanna make you smile, I just wanna make you smile, smile. And the tint is a rose in my specs, but you see grey and it reflects. And every time I turn around, it's a frown, it's a frown, it's a frown. I just wanna make you smile, I just wanna make you smile, I just wanna make you smile, smile. And that's why I'm wearing these funny glasses, that's why I said what I said, and that's why I don't know the meaning of it's dead. And that's why you don't feel like dancing, that's why your eyes are on the ground. It's a frown, it's a frown, it's a frown. But I just wanna make you smile, 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 make you smile. There's nothing you can do that can't be done, nothing you can sing that can't be sung, nothing you can say, but you can learn how to play the game. It's easy. Nothing you can make that can't be made, no one you can save that can't be saved. Nothing you can do, but you can learn how to be you in time. It's easy. All you need is love.
Okay, so I'm back now from the Stitch Festival, so I thought I would just show you what I got. So I got this La, la, la. This is from Sewing Sanctuary, and I love the woman who runs Sewing Sanctuary, Sarah. She's just absolutely gorgeous. So I was really pleased to get that, and I'm being really hush because Bee's next door, but I'm going to make it for her birthday. So I think that's so cute. And also from Ethel and Joan, which is my lovely friend Louisa's shop, I got these hair clips. Aren't they gorgeous? They're so lovely. So I'm going to put one in now. Oh yes, I love it. That is so good. So yeah, I had a wonderful time. It was really lovely to see people. I was only there for about an hour and a half because I had a very short amount of time that I could be there. But it was just really good to kind of get back out there and see fabric again. That was lovely. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed my vlog with it, and I will see you very soon. Lots and lots of love. Bye.
I just wanna